Friends has covered 10 such points in the video which you will add in your life if every girl will always think about you. Let's watch the video. Creating a lasting impression on someone, to the point where they think about you non-stop, involves a combination of emotional connection, intrigue, and consistent communication. Here's a guide to help you achieve this in a healthy and respectful manner. Number 1. Build genuine emotional connection. The foundation of any strong relationship is a deep emotional connection. Engage in meaningful conversations that allow both of you to open up about your thoughts, dreams, and fears. Show genuine interest in her life, actively listen, and remember the details she shares with you. This creates a sense of closeness and comfort, making her think about you even when you're not around. Number 2. Create shared experiences. Shared experiences are powerful in creating bonds. Plan unique dates or activities that stand out in her memory. Whether it's a spontaneous road trip, a picnic under the stars, or a shared hobby, these moments will give her something to reminisce about, and she'll associate those happy memories with you. Number 3. Maintain a balance of mystery. While being open and honest is crucial, maintaining a bit of mystery can keep someone intrigued. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Allow her to discover new aspects of your personality gradually. This anticipation can keep her thinking about you as she tries to uncover more layers of who you are. Number 4. Show consistent thoughtfulness. Small, thoughtful gestures can have a significant impact. It could be as simple as sending a good morning text, remembering important dates, or surprising her with her favorite treat. These gestures show that you care and think about her often, which in turn will make her think about you more. Number 5. Be confident and secure. Confidence is attractive, but it's important to balance it with humility. Be secure in who you are, and don't be afraid to express your feelings. When she sees that you're confident and comfortable with yourself, she's more likely to feel secure and think positively about you. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to be notified of new video, and of course leave you like and comment. Number 6. Maintain your independence. It's essential to have your own life, hobbies, and social circle. This shows that while you care about her, you also have your own interests. Independence can be attractive because it demonstrates that you're not overly dependent on the relationship for your happiness, which in turn can make her value your time together even more. Number 7. Communicate regularly but not overbearingly. Regular communication is key to staying on someone's mind, but there's a fine line between showing interest and coming across as needy. Aim for quality over quantity in your interactions. Engage in conversations that leave a lasting impression, rather than frequent, shallow exchanges. Number 8. Encourage her passions. Show interest in her passions and encourage her to pursue them. Whether it's her career, hobbies, or personal goals, supporting her dreams can strengthen your bond. She'll appreciate your encouragement and associate you with her growth and success. Number 9. Be there when it matters. Being reliable during significant moments in her life, whether they're positive or challenging, will solidify your importance to her. When she knows she can count on you during tough times, she'll value your presence and think of you as a crucial part of her support system. Number 10. Leave her wanting more. Always leave room for more conversations, more experiences, and more time together. If every interaction feels fulfilling yet leaves a little bit of curiosity or anticipation, she'll naturally think about when she'll get to see or talk to you next. This sense of wanting more can keep you on her mind long after your time together. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to be notified of new video, and of course leave you like and comment. I'll leave 2 more videos that will appear on your screen now. Enjoy your journey of wisdom. Stay with the Creator.